Hi, in today's lesson we're looking at the three simple tenses: the present simple, the past simple and the present perfect simple. We will look at each tense and learn the rules that help you decide which tense to use, and then at the end there are some exercises in which you choose the tense and which rule it is using. So let's start with the present simple. The present simple is used to talk about permanent situations. For instance, I work in the city, but I live in the countryside. So this is a permanent situation, not temporary. Or, Paris is the capital of France. Also is used for things which happen often or repeatedly. For instance, I visit my grandparents in Ireland every summer. Or, people send postcards from holiday destinations. Again, this is something people do often, so we use the present simple. It's also used for facts of nature or science. For example, travelling by plane uses lots of fuel. That's just a fact, so we use the present simple. Or, birds migrate in winter. It's also used for timetables, so the bus departs at 9:10 a.m. or the train to Oxford leaves every 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the past simple. The past simple is used to talk about completed actions or events in the past. For example, I visited the museums of Milan. It's completed an action in the past. Or I saw some beautiful beaches on holiday. Again, it's finished, completed in the past. It's also used for actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past, when you know when. For instance, last month I went on holiday for 2 months. When did it happen? Last month. Or I travelled to Singapore last year. Again, when? Last year. So the past simple. It's also used for things which happened often or regularly in the past. We always went on holiday to Scotland when I was a child. Again, it's something that happened regularly in the past, so we use the past simple. Or every summer I spent the school holidays with my grandparents. Again, it's repeated action in the past. Finally, the present perfect simple. The present perfect simple is used to talk about actions which started in the past and continue now. For example, I've worked abroad for 5 years. I started in the past and I'm still working abroad now. Or, he has lived in Portugal since 2025. Again, he lived in the past, he started living in the past, but he's still doing it now. It's also used for actions in the past when the time is not finished. For example, I visited many art galleries this year. The year is not finished, so we use the present perfect simple. Or, she has lived in a lot of different places in her life. Again, her life is not finished, so we use the present perfect simple. It's also used for recent events which are related to the present. For example, where is my phone? Oh no, someone has stolen it. So it happened in the past, but it has an impact on now. I don't have my phone now. Or, is Sarah having dinner with us? No, she's gone back to the hotel to rest. Again, it's an action in the past which has an impact on the present. So now it's your turn. Decide on the correct tense, either the present simple, the past simple, or the present perfect simple, and finish these sentences. Decide which rule matches the meaning of each sentence. 1. The sun often blank in Morocco. Use the verb shine. Shines. The sun often shines in Morocco. This is the present simple. It's rule 2 for things that happen often or repeatedly. 2. It's late. Where blank. Use you and go. Where have you been? This is the present perfect simple and uses rule number 3. Recent events which are related to the present. It's late now. It relates to now. 3. What time blank use the bus and leave? What time does the bus leave? This is the present simple and uses rule 4, timetables. 4. John blank used go to Finland last year, but he blank used like it. John went to Finland last year, but he didn't like it. This is the past simple and uses rule 2, used for actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. When did it happen? Last year. 5. The word blank used see, a massive shift in transport and tourism in the last decade. The world has seen a massive shift. This is the present perfect simple, rule number 1, for actions which started in the past and continue now. The massive shift started in the past and continues now. Finally, cruise ships blank use cross the Atlantic with the majority of people before air travel became so affordable. Write your answer down below and which rule it uses, and I promise to get back to you and let you know how you did. So that's it for today. I hope you feel more confident in using the simple tenses, when to use them and why. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. Share it with your friends and colleagues learning English, and hopefully see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.